The owl and the pussycat.
सर अभी तो बता दीजिए ये पेज नंबर 46 है ना। क्या रही पीछे क्या कर रही है सर? अरे गुड मॉर्निंग सर। उज्जवल अभी नहीं है सर। सर के बदले आरवी पढ़ा रही है। सर के बदले आरवी पढ़ा रही है। गुड मॉर्निंग सर।
Good morning. The owl and the pussycat want to see in a beautiful peak. Page number 46.
यस सर निकाल दिया।
हाँ
सर आपसे वही पूछ रहा था।
क्या पूछ रहा था?
46
कितनी बार बोलेगा 46 करके? The owl and the pussycat went to sea in a beautiful pea green boat. मतलब owl और pussycat क्या किया? वो दरिया में गए। In a beautiful pea green boat. Green boat में. They took some honey and plenty of money. लोग they took some honey. हैं? अभी कौन है? Page number 46. They took some honey and plenty of money. वो लोग ने थोड़ा हनी लिया और बहुत सारे पैसे लिए। Wrapped up in a 5-pound note. उसको बांधा एक 5-pound नोट में। The owl looked up to the stars above. Owl क्या किया? ऊपर stars की तरफ देखा and sang to a small guitar. और गाना गाने लगा। Oh lovely pussy, my love, what a beautiful pussy you are. मतलब गाना गाने लग गया। Owl, what a beautiful pussy you are. Pussy said to the owl, you elegant owl, how charmingly sweet you sing. कितना तो अभी कैट ने बोला आप कितना अच्छा गाते हो, आपका आवाज बहुत अच्छा है। Oh, let us be married. Too long we have tarried. तो चलो हम शादी करते हैं, मैं इसके लिए वेट कर रही हूँ। But what shall we do for a ring? तो हम क्या कर सकते हैं रिंग के लिए? They sailed away for a year and a day. लोग मतलब एक साल एक दिन घूम रहे थे। To the land where the bong tree grows. To the land where bong trees grow. And there is a wood, a piggy which stood. और there is a wood. हाँ क्या हुआ?
कहाँ पे 46 पे?
And there is a wood, a piggy which stood. Affectionate मतलब प्यारा. And with a ring at the end of his nose. कैट के नोज के एंड में रिंग था। His nose नहीं कैट के नहीं ऑल के इसमें। With a ring at the end of his dear pig, you are willing to sell for 1 shilling. होता है कि dear pig, you are willing to sell 1 shilling. 1 shilling मतलब ब्रिटिश का अंग्रेजों का कॉइन, मतलब बोलते हैं ना हमारे पास 1 रुपया 2 रुपया कॉइन रहता है ना, वैसा उनका कॉइन है। Your ring, said the piggy, I will. मतलब your ring, आपका रिंग जो है, said the piggy, I will. मतलब बहुत प्यारा है। So they took it away and were married next day. और उन्होंने उसे खरीद लिया और नेक्स्ट डे शादी कर ली। By the turkey who lives on the hill, जो हिल के ऊपर रहते हैं। they means a slice of queen. वो लोग कहाँ से वहां पे खाना गए, क्या खाना गए? मीन्स मतलब मीट, मांस मछली, और क्वींस मतलब हार्ड फ्रूट, which they ate with a broomstick spoon, hand in hand on the edge of the sand. मतलब हाथ पे हाथ डाल के वो अपना क्या बोलते हैं उस पे, सैंड के ऊपर बैठे थे. They danced by the light of the moon, the moon, they danced by the light of the moon. फिर रात को वो लोग मून लाइट में डांस किया. यही आपका पोयम द आउल एंड द कैट. समझ में आया कि नहीं है? समझ में आया कि नहीं आया?
समझ में आया.
यस सर.
आया.
तो एक काम करो, आयुष पटेल रीडिंग स्टार्ट करो.
यस सर.
रीड.
The owl and the posy cat went to sea in a beautiful sea green boat. They took some honey and plenty of money, wrapped up in a 5 pound note.
5 pound note.
The pound note. The
owl looked up. आयुष बराबर पर.
The owl looked up to the stars above and sung to a small guitar. To the you excellent fowl, how Germany sweet
Charmingly. आयुष
सर
जब वर्ड्स नहीं आ रहा है बोलने के लिए तो पूछो, ऐसे ही रीड मत करो. जो वर्ड्स आपको बोलने नहीं आ रहा है आप मुझे पूछ सकते हो. मैंने बोला है कि ये पूछना नहीं, पूछेगा तो मैं डांटूंगा करके कुछ बोला है मैंने आपको?
नो सर.
फिर जो वर्ड्स नहीं आ रहा है ऐसे ही मत पढ़ा करो, पूछो मेरे को. पढ़ो अभी.
Sweet, you sing, oh let us be married. Too long we have. सर ये क्या लिखा है?
Married.
Married, but what shall we do for a ring? They sailed away for a year and a day to a land where the bone trees grow, and there in a wood a piggy wig stood with a ring at the end of his nose with a ring at the end of his nose. Dear pig, are you willing to steal for on 1 shilling? You ring, said the piggy, I will. So they took it away and were married next day by the turkey. उसे ये क्या लिखा है? Turkey who lives on the hills. They dined on a mince and slice of queens, which they ate with a runcible spoon, and hand in hand on the edges of the sand. They danced by the light of moon. The moon, they danced by the light of the moon. सर किधर गए? सर मैं एडिट करूं?
उज्जवल रीड।
सर मैं
हाँ उज्जवल एक ही तो है।
the owl and the pussycat went
पसी कैट।
to see. क्या सर?
पसी कैट है, पसी कैट है, पसी कैट नहीं, पसी कैट।
Pussycat went to sea in a beautiful pea green boat. They took some honey and सर ये क्या है?
Plenty of
Plenty of money.
wrapped up,
Money सर ये
wrapped
wrapped up in a 5-pound note. The owl looked up to the stars above and sang to a small guitar. Oh, lovely Pashi. Oh, Piyush, my love. Pashi,
ओ पसी वही तो है, तू उसको अलग पढ़ा।
Pashi, my love. What a beautiful Pashi. You are what a beautiful Pashi you are. Pashi said to the owl, you. सर ये क्या है?
Elegant, elegant,
Elegant of how
charmingly,
charmingly
sweet, sing,
you sing. Oh, let us be married. Too long we have tried,
carried.
but the
What
shall
shall
we
we?
do for a ring? The सर ये क्या है?
They sailed,
They
sailed
they
away.
sailed away for a year and a day to the land where the bong tree grows, and there is a wood. A piggy wing stood with a ring at the end of his nose. His nose with a ring at the end of his nose. Dear pig, are you willing to sell for 1
Shilling.
your ring? Said the piggy, I will. So they took it away and were married next day by the turkey
Who
where
lives?
lives on the hill. They didn't miss and
They
of
dined on
him
mice. They
Which-
dined on mice
they ate with a सर ये क्या है?
and slices of queens
क्या सर?
and slices of queens
And slices of fish which they ate the a runcible.
spoon.
सर ये क्या है?
Spoon,
As
spoon.
the
Runcible spoon.
one hand in hand on the edge of the sand. They dance by the light on the moon. They dance by the light of the moon.
रिचा
साथ में
रुक, तेरे को बोलता हूँ रुक। फिर
the owl and the ये क्या है?
उसी क्या है?
Pussycat to sit went to sit in a beautiful big
He,
green boat. That
they took
green boat. They look some honey and
plenty of
plenty of money.
Wrapped up.
Wrapped up
Wrapped
in
up.
a five apron
In a 5 pound note.
in a five
5 pound
note.
note.
I found
पढ़ो.
the owl looked up to the star up was and ये क्या है?
Hang and
Hang
sand
and
sand to a
small
guitar.
क्या बोले?
Guitar
Just
and
oh,
sand to a
love
small guitar.
and sand to a small guitar. Oh,
Lovely pussy.
oh, lovely pussy, oh, lovely my oh, pussy, my love. Yes, beautiful pussy. What are? Yes, beautiful pussy. What are? Pussy. ये
Said the
सर
owl.
क्या है?
Said the owl. You elegant fowl.
At the
Owl. You
fowl.
elegant fowl.
You elegant
Elegant fowl.
elegant fowl.
How charmingly
How charmingly
sweet you
the
sing.
what sing. Oh,
Let us be married.
he married to
Look,
long way.
have tarried.
Look, I caress.
Too long we have tarried.
Too long we have tennis,
Tarried.
but
What shall we? What shall we?
What shall we
Do for a
do for a
ring?
ring?
They sailed away
They celebrate
for a year and a day.
for a year and
A
a day to the land where the boy
tree
grows
and
and
that
that in a
wood
and
a piggy wig stood
piggy is good
with a ring at the end.
With the ring at the
End of his nose.
end of
His nose.
is nose that
With a ring.
to
With a ring
the ring.
at the end of its nose.
It's a ring.
At the end of its nose.
The end of in nose. The end of as nose. where
Dear pig, are you willing to sell?
dear pig,
Are you
are
are you
you
willing to sell?
are you willing to sell
For 1 shilling
for 1 shilling what
your ring
your ring
at the
at the
said the
said the
piggy
piggy
I will
will
so
so
that
that looking
it
so
away
that to
took it away
looking
took it away
क्या बोले
took it
कुकीर
away
करे
and were
कुकी टरे and was
married
married
next day.
next day by the
Turkey who lives on the hill. By the turkey
find the turkey
who lives
two wheels
who lives में देखो who
to
lives on the hill
who lives
on the hill
on the hill
they
on
dined
the hill
they dined dined
they kind
dined नहीं dined
they dining by the
on
light of
on means they dined on means
they dance on wing
and slices of queens
and slices of wings which that
they ate
were
they ate
we get
with a which they ate with a runcible spoon
spoons
and
and had
in
and
hand,
had
hand in hand
and in had
on the edge of the sand
and of the can
they danced
they dance by the light of the moon that dining by the light of the moon.
Sapnesh
Yes, sir.
Irga.
Yes, sir. The owl and the pussycat went to swim in a beautiful green boat. They, sir, दे के बाद क्या है? दे,
हाँ पढ़ रहा है तू भाई
sir. The owl and the pussycat went to swim in a beautiful green boat. But
in
they,
a beautiful pea green boat बराबर से पढ़
sir, ये
in a
green boat,
beautiful pea
they,
green boat
the beauty in a beautiful big green boat.
they
took some honey and
honey
sir honey
and
honey
plenty of
plenty
of honey
wrapping up in
wrapped
of
up
pump and naughty no sir ये
कहाँ से
five
wrapped up in a 5-pound note
up in a 5-pound pumped not the owl के बाद क्या है sir?
looked up to the stars
Looked up to the star above and के बाद क्या है sir? Sir, S-A-N-G.
Sang.
Sir, S-A-N-G.
Sang.
Sang to a small bit. All love you, lovely fuse of you, my love, with a beautiful fuse. You are with a beautiful fuse. You are said to the owl. सर ये आउल यू के बाद क्या है? ये आउल यू के बाद क्या है?
You elegant fall.
सर ये
हाँ, you elegant fall.
यू एलियन फॉर हाउ. सर हाउ के बाद क्या है?
You
सर हाउ के बाद क्या है?
fall के बाद how charmingly sweet you sing.
हाउ स्वीट योर सिंग.
Oh, let us be. Oh, let us be.
Have wait, but wait. सर बट वेट के बाद क्या है?
But क्या? But what shall?
But what shall we will do for a ring?
Sing. हाँ.
अब ये
Hmm.
they said allow for a year and a day to the land where the sir to the land where the के बाद क्या है?
Where the bong tree grows.
The land where the to the land where the
Bong tree grows.
Palm tree grow, and there in a wood up Piggy will
Withstood.
stood with a ring at the end of his nose. Has nose.
Has nose
With
नहीं,
a
his
ring
nose,
at
his nose है वो.
of
रत्नेश,
हाँ वही.
his
Yes,
nose है,
sir.
his nose नहीं है. His nose है वो.
His nose with a ring at the end of
His.
his nose. There P are you, sir?
Billy.
There P are you का क्या है?
Billing.
Willing to steal for us your earring. She said the piggy, I will. So they took we eat like loud
Away.
and where, sir, and where के बाद क्या है?
Married next day.
Marry next day by the trade to how live on the height.
Who lives
Hi.
on the hill?
Who lives and the leaf is the same
And
of his and
on means
we off के बाद क्या है? Off के बाद
queens.
off.
Queens of queens.
Which they act with a, sir, with a के बाद
Runcible spoon.
municipal spoon and hand in hand on the leg of the sand. They danced by the light of the moon. They danced by the light of the moon.
ओके, चलो अभी मैं क्लास एंड कर रहा हूँ. 2 मिनट बाकी है तो मैं क्लास एंड कर रहा हूँ.
Yes,
ठीक है.
sir.
बाय एवरीवन.
Yes, sir.